All right, back at it. About to get the second slab off here. Getting wider. It's about 24 down on the end already, and like 21 on the small end here. So we're gonna start taking 3.5 chunks out. That's what the guy wants. So, but in the midst of that, we did hit some small nails. Fortunately, no damage to anything. They were little, so we're gonna hope that they avoid here in the next cut. But we will be back. See what happens as we work our way down to this big 35 wide red oak, making some 19-foot slabs. Thanks for watching.